Hi guys, welcome to Call of Hunger. Today we're making chocolate tarts. I love tarts and this is one of my favorites. In this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make it. In a big bowl, add 100 grams of butter, 30 grams of powdered sugar, then mix until combined. Add an egg, then mix again. Add 150 grams of flour and 50 grams of ground almonds. If you don't have it, you can use flour instead. Mix again until combined and don't overwork the dough. Wrap it after with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Roll the dough until it's thin enough, then press it onto the bottom and edges of the mold. You can reuse the excess dough if you want. Prick the dough with a fork. Line a parchment paper over the dough and fill it with rice. Dry beans can be an option. Bake for 15 minutes in a preheated oven. In a medium pot, bring the cream and mix to a simmer over medium-low heat. Do not boil. Remove from heat and add the chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Add sugar, 1 egg, and stir to combine. Add another egg, then stir again to combine again. After 15 minutes of baking, remove the rice. If you're afraid the bottom of the tart doesn't cook well or you want it to be more crunchy, you can put it in the oven without rice for 10 more minutes. If not, just pull the chocolate filling and bake for 20 minutes. Put the tart in the fridge for about 2 hours and then serve. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video if you like the video for more videos.